In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Likert scale in Microsoft Forms. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is the home base for all of your forms and surveys. Make sure you're looking at the start from the new Microsoft Forms welcome screen, since that's where we'll begin building our form. On this welcome screen, go ahead and click Research to get started with a research-style form. You'll then be taken to the template page. From the available choices, pick the blank option. Depending on your version, this might be labeled Blank Form, Start from Blank, or simply shown as the plain blank tile. Click whichever appears in your view. Now you'll have an empty form ready to be customized. Click the Form Title field at the top of the page. Type Customer Support Feedback as the title for your form. Next, click the Description field located just below the title. In that description area, write your experience with our support team. This gives respondents a clear idea of what the form is about. Now we'll move down into the question area. Look for the option labeled Quick Start With, or alternatively Add New depending on your interface. From there, open the Question Type dropdown, sometimes shown as the More Question Types menu. Once the list of question types appears, scroll through it and select Likert. This will insert a fresh Likert scale question into your form. With the Likert question added, click the question field where you'll write the main prompt. Type the prompt, how much do you agree with each statement? This will be the question that sits above all of your statement rows. Next, we'll add the individual statements that respondents will rate. Click the first statement row to activate it. For that first statement, type, the support team answered my question clearly. Once that's entered, click Add Statement to create a new row. In the second row, type, the response time was reasonable. After that, click Add Statement once more to open up the third row. In this row, type, I would contact support again if I needed help. You now have 3 statements ready for rating. Now we'll set up the scale labels that appear across the top of the grid. Click the first option label to begin editing it. Type Strongly Disagree as the label for the lowest end of the scale. Then click the second option label. For this one, type Disagree, which is the next step up. To add more scale points, click Add option. In the new label that appears, type Neutral, giving respondents a middle ground. Click Add option again to insert another label. This time, type Agree as the next option along the scale. Click Add option one more time. In the final label, type Strongly Agree, completing the 5-point scale. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now it's time to check your work. Click Preview in the top right corner of the screen. This will switch you into preview mode, so you can see how the form will appear to anyone filling it out. Take a moment to confirm that the preview displays the Likert grid with 3 statements down the side and 5 scale options across the top. Your Microsoft Forms preview should show one single Likert scale question, fully built out. That question should display the prompt, how much do you agree with each statement? Underneath the prompt, you should see 3 statement rows. The first reads, the support team answered my question clearly. The second reads, the response time was reasonable. The third reads, I would contact support again if I needed help. Across the top of the grid, you should see 5 scale columns. They should read Strongly Disagree, then Neutral, then Agree, and finally Strongly Agree on the far right. If everything matches up, congratulations, you've successfully built a Likert scale question in Microsoft Forms, and your form is ready to gather meaningful feedback from your respondents.